it's Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coops Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Toyota Corolla ZZE122 hatch, stock reference number 4000. This shape runs from the 12th month 2001 through to the 6th month 2007. It has a 1ZZ FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1ZZE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch steel rims. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has a large dent down the lower edge. Still may be usable. Left rear door has only one small dent. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has 2 small dents. This vehicle is fitted with a factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module and neck. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. This vehicle is fitted with manual window regulators. It's got black cloth interior, black vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel in grey. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.